Guys, we just arrived here at the City Sports. Ang winding staircase. So we're kind of early, nag-set up pa sila. Chita de Mare.
Yes,
hi.
Good morning, everyone.
Muhangyo ko, nahulaman ako inyong oras, siguro mga 15 minutes. Alam ni siya within 2 days na ma-change ang inyong name. Katong na correction, para sure ko,
Thank you.
We thank you once again, our guest speakers from PRC.
Ako recommend si Sam PR Perez na palihog na ang station.
For being our resource speaker on the topic of the EDSU conference.
Guys, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Giving to our CFC family.
2024 for Barrett, Mr. Sir Glenn Soko.
Say name mo.
R.
The Vice Gov of Cebu, guys. Glenn Soko. With the past presidents of Sarah.
Yes. Active member, and I've had the pleasure of working with them for several years. On a personal note, I've had the year. Would like to give a certificate of appreciation.
The objectives of Harep Seret.
Fully perform.
I will faithfully perform.
Once again, congratulations to the new officers.
The purpose of my board and the association.
Yes, from Dusit to City Sports again.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's do it. And it is more impacting if we do it together.
And dedication are crucial in our success.
Yes, from PRC po. We meet again. Hello. Our newly inducted president for Sareb 2026, Attorney Rainier Mora, guys. Congrats, Attorney.
Thank you for support.
Welcome.
Partners and friends.
Exactly, for another strong year with Sareb, with the new presidency.
First, commitment, tireless and unwavering. Give them a big round of applause. Mabuhay ang 2025 officers and BOPs.
Mabuhay! Cheers, everyone! Happy Thanksgiving!
Yes, excellent.
Yes. Cheers!
Youth President, incumbent,
Yay!
the